Hello, welcome to the TV room. So, this microphone is pestering. So, I'm just, you know what, when things go badly, I get thrown off. And I get delayed, and then things get put off. Anyway, I do want to turn this computer on and see what comes up here. And I think I know what it's going to be. Reset stuck low. So, I did something foolish. I swapped the capacitor. I did. So I have since been to a store called Sale, and I did get some replacement capacitors. And I also got some 555 chips. I did. And as Rudy said I should do, because sometimes helpful, I got some solder wick. I had no idea how many different types of solder wick there were. Different thicknesses and different this and different that. Anyway, I finally decided on one, not based on anything much at all. All right, so this is coming up with the typical, what I thought is reset bit low. Now the diagnostics run okay, but still, that's not okay. It's not. Oh, another thing I got while I was there, because I just didn't. I don't know. My other soldering iron I felt was getting a little on the ward outside. Now, if I could just figure out how to get into this one. Oh, great. There are staples. Well, I guess I can just rip it. Rip it open. Pull it out. Oh, come on. There. So if I just plugged it in, it'd be dandy. Anyway, there's nothing special about this soldering iron, except that I suspect it will get hot. So, recycling. It has another little holder thing. Yeehaw. Well, maybe now I'll put the desoldering iron on one and the soldering iron on another. Alright, so this is doing its thing. What did I just walk down? Oh no. You know, there we are. Reset stuck low. I never should have taken that capacitor out. Especially because it didn't do anything good in the other one. Alright. So, oh my golly. This soldering iron is done up with two twist ties. Are twist ties recyclable? I'm just not sure. Alright, well, I'm gonna put this up here. Nothing's plugged in yet. It's funny, you know, as I look up at that, it just looks a little not so clear. So I'm going to take a carefully prepared thing. Where's my t-shirt? I'm going to hit that with it. I think that looks better. Okay, so we have our things, we have our stuff. What do we have to do? Well, we've got to disconnect the board, disconnect the monitor, find our little pliers so that we can get the board out. Hello. You know what I did is I was filming in the basement, and I did take my two little lights down there, and I really think I should bring them back up. Okay, that's two little legs. The other thing I should do, I should reach around behind me here. There are, I know, some headphones. I can't see. And my foldable reading glasses. Yes, I should bring these lights back. It gets dark inside these things. There we go. All right. The board is coming out. Now the other thing that might be helpful at this time, and I thought I brought one of them up. Oh, let's look in here. Maybe I did not. Maybe they're downstairs. Is I have these bright LED lights that I think would help. I think they would. I think they would. Ugh. Yeah, you know what? It is too dark here. It just is. So I'm looking. Yeah, I need more light. Is my other phone here? No, it is not. All right. I need to go to the basement and get the lights. I do. And somewhere I have my really, really, really strong googly glasses, and I'm not sure where they are, but I sure miss them. It's horrible to have things and then lose them. Anyway, so the idea is I'm going to remove this capacitor, put another one in, and see if we get back to goodness. I hate having things get worse when I do things that are supposed to make them better. All right, stay tuned. I'm going to the basement. Bye for now.